How to use the present simple tense like a native speaker. Easy English grammar. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Learn English Every Day. Have you ever asked yourself, how do native speakers talk about their daily life so easily? The answer is simple. They use the present simple tense every single day. If you want to describe your routine, your hobbies, your job, or even facts about the world, you need to master this tense. Don't worry. By the end of this lesson, you will understand it easily and use it with confidence. So let's begin. What is the present simple tense? The present simple is one of the most important tenses in English. We use it to talk about daily routines, habits, facts, repeated actions, permanent situations. For example, I wake up at 6 every morning. She drinks coffee every day. They play football on Fridays. The earth goes around the sun. Sentence structure. The basic structure is very simple. Positive form. Subject plus verb plus object. Examples: I study English. You work in an office. We watch TV at night. They play tennis every weekend. Easy, right? The special rule for he, she, and it. When the subject is he, she, it, we usually add s or es to the verb. Examples: he works every day. She studies English. It rains a lot here. Tom plays football. My sister cooks dinner every evening. This is one of the most common grammar rules in English. Don't forget it. More positive examples. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. You speak English very well. He drives to work. She listens to music every day. We read books every night. They visit their grandparents every weekend. Tom cleans his room every Saturday. Emma walks to school. My father drinks tea every morning. My mother makes delicious cakes. Excellent. Negative sentences. Now let's learn how to make negative sentences. For I, you, we, they. Use don't plus base verb. Examples: I don't watch TV every day. You don't like coffee. We don't play basketball. They don't work on Sundays. For he, she, it. Use doesn't plus base verb. Notice that the verb returns to its original form. Examples: he doesn't play football. She doesn't drink milk. It doesn't work. Tom doesn't drive fast. Emma doesn't eat meat. Very easy. Questions. Now let's ask questions. For I, you, we, they. Use do plus subject plus verb. Examples: do you speak English? Do they live here? Do we have enough time? Possible answers: yes, I do. No, I don't. For he, she, it. Use does plus subject plus verb. Examples: does he work in a hospital? Does she play tennis? Does Tom like pizza? Possible answers: yes, he does. No, he doesn't. Remember, after does, the main verb stays in the base form. Not. Does he works? Real-life conversation. Emma, what time do you wake up? Tom, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Emma, do you drink coffee? Tom, yes, I do. Emma, does your brother drink coffee too? Tom, no, he doesn't. He drinks tea. Emma, where do you work? Tom, I work in a bank. Quick practice. Complete the sentences. She. To school every day. Tom. Football on Saturdays. We. English every evening. He. Coffee in the morning. They. In Dubai. Pause the video and try to answer.